Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Games. This is part 2 of 2 for the GE electric, for the GE refrigerator. As I said in the first video, there was a loud humming noise coming from the refrigerator, so I pulled it out and I'm checking in the back to see about dust. I just finished cleaning everything. What I did was I used the shop vac to go ahead and vacuum out the bulk of the debris. Then I used the blower side of it to go ahead and blow out the rest of the dust. And then I finished it off with a little bit of Windex to go ahead and get to where I couldn't get with the vacuum. So hopefully this works. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out some of the other videos. Check out part 1 to see what it looked like before the cleaning. And thank you again.